Are you looking to upgrade your Mercedes vehicle to add camera, Apple CarPlay and other features? Let me show you what we can do for your car. 2015 Mercedes CLA. First thing here, we added the camera in the back, replacing the factory handle. So it's not jeweled, it's just direct replacement, nice and clean. And we added the CarPlay and Android Auto to the factory screen. So I have the original screen here. First we're gonna check the backup camera. So I can put the car in reverse and I have the camera in here with the lines are adjustable, moving with the steering wheel. We also have a factory parking sensor so you can see them in here. As you can see, the lines are not centered and the reason is the camera is not centered. But if we want to move the lines, it's an easy fix. We go into the menu and here now we can adjust the lines left and right, front and back, even make the lines a bit smaller. I'll put the car back in park and I'm gonna be in the factory screen again. I'm gonna hold the button in here and I'm gonna go to the CarPlay. All on the factory, controlled from the same way you control the vehicle. We have the main menu in here, music, everything we need. The sound is gonna go through the factory speakers. The Bluetooth conversation, everything is gonna show you in here and work through the factory speakers. Upgrade your vehicle, find us at Car System Installation, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.